Hello everyone, I am Manisha Gaur and welcome to my world of AI and robotics. Today we are going to learn how to make tobi walk using block coding in pictoblox. First, we select the tobi sprite, then we use the events blocks to start a program, such as the when green flag clicked block. Next, we use motion blocks to make tobi move forward. We can change the number of steps to control how far tobi walks. To make the walking look natural, we can use looks block to switch between tobi's different walking costumes. We also add a wait block between the costume changes so the movement looks like walking instead of changing instantly. We can repeat these blocks using a repeat or forever block. This allows tobi to continue walking automatically. So, by combining events, motions, looks, and control blocks, we can create a simple walking animation in pictoblox. This activity helps us understand how block coding can be used to control a character and create animation.